Your astrologer will not earn any money that day, Bhuvan. Trust me. Because you won't be paying him.
Yeah, right,
Okay.
right.
So not a very good business day for me today since I was your astrologer. So
Yeah,
how is your day going by?
yeah, it is good so far.
Hmm? It is good so far. Great. I hope the
Yeah,
rest of it is brilliant as well.
yeah.
Okay.
Right.
One in your everyday life, right? What is that
Mhm.
one activity that you do to rejuvenate yourself? Like if you don't do that activity, your day seems to be incomplete. So what is
Okay.
that thing?
hmm I think I watch motivational videos on daily basis.
Okay.
Yeah,
On
so
daily
I
basis. Wow.
on daily basis. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I think, yeah, so every day I watch. So I think it's the best part of my life,
Mm-hmm.
because when I watch such kind of content, so that time I
Mm-hmm.
feel very positive, and
Mm-hmm.
so yeah, so this is the thing which I do. And,
Awesome.
and one thing I would like to mention, like,
Mm-hmm.
I don't listen such kind of a particular motivational speaker.
Okay.
Yeah, so I speak like whatever, like suppose I search on YouTube
Mm-hmm.
motivational speakers. So
Mm-hmm.
sometime like whatever comes in my channel, whatever comes in my phone, so I just watch. Like,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, like yesterday.
Oh, so good.
Yeah, yesterday I was watching Muziba Manzari, something like that. She was
Yes,
from
Muniba Mazari, right?
Muniba Mazari. Yeah, Muniba Mazari. Like, yeah, right, right. Yeah, yeah. So I was watching her English speech, and it was
Mm-hmm.
brilliant, really. When I
Okay.
when I was all like I was like
Mm-hmm.
there
Mm-hmm.
was a session, like there was session. I think
Mm-hmm.
it was around 35 to 40 minutes, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Mhm.
I watched it completely.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah,
She's a very inspiring lady, to be honest. And was it
right.
her TED Talk? Was it the TED Talk that you watched? You said 35 to 40 minutes, right?
I think, she was in a podium like that,
Okay.
like a hall,
Okay.
and she was
Mm-hmm.
delivering her speech.
Okay, fine, fine.
Yeah, and
So that's
speech was
amazing.
and that speech was really amazing. Like,
Mhm.
really,
Awesome. Good.
yeah,
So you felt very positive after watching that video.
right. Yeah, after watching that video, I think she is very positive. I think very positive. Like whatever she has going through in past,
Mm-hmm.
but really, like such kind of effort, such kind of boldness,
Mm-hmm.
like everyone should have
Yes.
if you want. And
Yes.
yeah, because he has got many injuries, he has got
Mm-hmm.
divorced, like everything.
Mm.
Like I think every
So
pain
yeah.
every pain
Yes.
she felt, but after that she
Mm-hmm.
delivering his speech, and she is
Mm-hmm.
inspiring people. Yeah,
Yes, absolutely. So even after facing so many hardships in life, she has turned out to be such an inspirational figure, right? For people
right.
who might be going through a similar crisis. So it's a good inspiration. Yeah,
Yeah, right.
absolutely.
Yeah,
Mm. Yes, Bhuvan.
yeah.
And when it comes to life, right? When it comes
Mhm.
to life, do you think that every single chapter of our lives is written in the stars, or do you think we can change? We have control, we have a choice, and we can change our destiny.
I think some things we can't change. Some like that. I can't change my parents. Like,
Mm-hmm.
I'm just talking. I can't change my brother and sister. There are some
Okay.
things. Yeah, there are some things which are
Mm-hmm.
predefined in your life.
Okay. Okay.
But in terms of career, in terms of other
Mm-hmm.
things, yeah, I think you can change. You can change everything.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Great.
yeah,
So, some things, as you mentioned, it's a part and parcel, right? Like our family and
right,
everything. So
right.
these are like constants in our life, right? We
Yeah,
we never chose it.
yeah,
Where we were born and everything, we can't change, but we can definitely decide where we want to go. Like
where
we
you want
can
to go.
work towards that. Yeah.
Right, man, right. Yeah, yeah,
So there are some people who say that no, everything is written in the stars. We are just like puppets, and things are just happening because it's predestined and all that. So do you believe it? What will you like to say to such people?
okay. Actually, it depends person on person, like what
Hmm?
kind of mentality you have, and
Okay.
where you are living, like what kind of surroundings do you have, where you are
Mm-hmm.
living. Suppose I'm living in
Mm-hmm.
a family, or suppose since my
Mm-hmm.
childhood days,
Mm-hmm.
everybody is talking about astrology, or everybody is
Mm-hmm.
believe on palmistry. So definitely, I
Mm-hmm.
think after some time I will be
Okay.
believed, because
Mm-hmm.
I think definitely I will be
Mm-hmm.
believed. But I think we should not,
Mm-hmm.
like in some extent, if you believe, it's okay.
Yeah.
But in a large extent, I would say like this is not good. Like you should believe in your hard work.
Yeah.
You
True.
should believe you can change everything, just because of your
Mm-hmm.
consistency, just because of your hard work. So you can change everything in your life, in your career. Yeah. So
Correct.
yeah, like if someone believe in
Mm-hmm.
astrology, so I'm not hurting. I'm not hurting anyone's feeling. If you believe, it's okay.
Yes.
But yeah, but if you are blaming whatever is going on in your life, and you are saying,
Mm-hmm.
oh, like it has
Mm-hmm.
already written, in
Mm-hmm.
my in my chapter, and I am the only one who has to suffer.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's completely
Yes.
wrong. It's completely wrong. So
Yeah. True.
so instead of believing such kind of things, like in some extent,
Mm-hmm.
it's okay, but you can't um like
Act as a victim to this thing. You can't be
right.
so much believing in that. You can't believe in that so much that you act as a victim in your own life. Like,
Yeah, right.
anyways, I can't do anything. What is the point? Let me just sit and chill. Let me not do anything at all. Right? That kind of attitude should not come.
Right. And do you know,
Yeah. Correct.
yeah,
Mhm.
and here in India, many people are
Mhm.
believing, believing such kind of activity, like
Yes. Mm-hmm.
whatever is going on in their life, whether it's
Mm-hmm.
good or bad. So they said like, yeah, it has already written in our life, and so we have to suffer.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
True. And do you have a habit of checking your horoscope every day? You know, in newspapers and even on internet, we get now today your daily horoscope is so and so. For each zodiac, you'll get it. Do you have a habit of checking that?
Never, man, never. Because I don't believe. I never believe such kind
Okay.
of things. So I
Mm-hmm.
never, so I never see this kind of horoscope. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Perfect. So, like at any point in your life, did you ever Google all these things? Okay, what are the personality traits of my zodiac? What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? Did you ever do that?
No, no,
Never?
never, never.
Okay, okay,
Actually,
fine. Mhm.
my minds never goes such kind of things really,
Okay. Hmm.
because all the time, like I watch, I inspired from those people who are like Muziba Mazari, like that.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So we can
Okay.
take example. We
Mhm.
can take we can take many examples from such kind of personality, and
Mhm.
we can grow ourselves. We can improve yourself. So there is no need to believe in
Mhm.
astrology. according to me, this is
Mhm.
my personal point. This is my personal
Yeah,
point.
yeah, completely. It's just about your perspective. You can express the same. Yeah,
Yeah,
awesome.
right. Yeah.
And one thing, it's not I inspired from, it'll be I am inspired from. I apostrophe M or I am. I am
Okay.
inspired from Muniba Mazari
Okay.
or people like that.
Okay.
If
I
you
am.
say I inspired, that will be in the context of you being an inspiration to someone. For example, you can say I inspired my students to perform well. So you're saying that you are the
Okay.
inspiration to your students.
Got it. Yeah. I am. Yeah.
So I inspired my students. If you're inspired from someone, I am inspired or I was inspired. Anything.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah. So that is it. Okay. And have
Yeah.
you earlier you mentioned about astrology and palmistry, right? The palmistry thing. So have
Mhm.
you ever been to a palmist? Have you ever asked them to predict what the future holds for you?
Never. Like there
Mhm.
is no benefit, there is no fun in your life if you already knew your future. Like what was
Yes.
yeah, like if you already know what are the things which is going on in your life, so there is no suspense in your life.
Mhm.
It is like
Yeah.
that. You are playing a game and you already know the result.
Mhm.
So what's the benefit of playing this game?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah.
That's nice.
So yeah. So
Mhm.
suspense. I think suspense should be like suspense should
Mm-hmm.
suspense should be in our life. I think suspense, like suspense हमें life में होना चाहिए.
Yes. Actually, yeah, you'll say that, yeah, some little bit of suspense should be there in our lives, right?
Should be. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But the thing is, when the suspense part just increases every day, now when people are hit with a new suspense every day, that is when they start to panic, and that is when they go to all these people. When the
Yeah,
suspense never stops.
never stop. Yeah. It is life. It is life, and it is totally unexpected.
Mm,
You can't consider your life.
true.
Suppose right now you have a
Mhm,
good health, if you have everything, but
mhm.
you
Yeah.
can't like you can't imagine like what would be um, what would be after some
Mhm,
days, what would be after months. So you
mhm.
can't consider your life.
Yeah.
It is totally unexpected.
Mm.
So according to me, I think this is
Okay. True.
yeah. So according to me, I think this is the beauty of life. It is unexpected.
That, that's such a wonderful thought, Bhuvan. To be honest,
Yeah,
that's a very wonderful thing to say. And to even, live your life by this kind of a principle or this ideology, it's beautiful.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, right.
That's nice. And
Yeah.
in your family, is there anyone who believes in all this astrology stuff a lot and they consult astrologers pretty often?
Okay, no, actually not. But yeah, but in Uttarakhand there are some customs. Actually,
Hmm.
I'm not talking about astrology, but there are some customs which we have been following since our childhood.
Okay.
So I believe those customs. I
Mm-hmm.
believe those customs, but it doesn't mean like I'm forcing someone. I
Mm-hmm.
am believing, so you have to believe. So it's not
Yeah.
like that. It is totally
Mm-hmm.
up to you. If you believe, it's okay. If you not believe, it's already okay. Yeah,
Up to you. Okay.
yeah,
So it's
yeah,
completely what the person chooses, right? If they want to believe, they're free to do so. If they don't want to believe, no one can force them. So it's
yeah,
like that. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Correct. Correct.
yeah. Because my
Mhm.
state is also known as land of God. In Hindi we called it Devbhumi.
Uttarakhand?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Uttarakhand is
Yeah.
also known as in Hindi Devbhumi.
Devbhumi. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, Devbhumi. Yeah,
Mhm.
so here we believe we
Mhm.
believe such kind of things. Yeah,
Mhm. That's nice. So it's a
yeah,
part of our culture, right? It's a part of our
yeah. It's
culture.
right.
Yes.
Yeah,
So it's
it's
always
part of
good to respect it. So if it's not harming anyone, and if it makes you feel this good, like this kind of special thing when you say Dev Bhumi, right? So it's very
right.
special.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Mhm,
Okay. Okay. And one more thing I would
mhm,
like to tell you is that
mhm.
you said I will be believe earlier in the conversation. You used this like I will be believe. Like if people around me keep talking about all this astrology stuff constantly, I will be believe. So here there is no need to use that be, right? You can just say
Okay,
I will believe them eventually, right? If people
okay.
keep talking about the same thing over and over again, eventually
Mhm,
I will believe them. So you don't have to say I will be believe. Okay.
okay,
So
okay. I will
okay,
only I will.
that's one thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, I will believe.
I will believe.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm,
And whenever you say someone, right? Whenever
mhm,
you say someone, it will be if someone believes. It's not believe. Someone believes in me.
okay. Someone believe.
Okay.
Okay. Singular.
Believes.
Yeah, believes is
Someone believes is the correct.
okay.
Okay. So what happens is you can use someone believe when you're telling someone to believe you. Hey, someone, please believe me. Someone believe me, please. That is
Okay.
when you will use believe. In other instances, it's believes. Okay.
Believes. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. That is it. And let's imagine that for an instant, there is a very real astrologer. Okay. He is the real deal.
Mhm,
Okay. Whatever he says is true, and he literally has a lot of knowledge regarding this field. So imagine that you get a chance to meet this person and to ask him two questions about your future. Okay. Something that you're very curious to know. Okay. What questions will you ask?
okay.
You
What
can be
question I
assured that he's good at it. Okay. He's not a fake astrologer. He's a real one.
okay. What kind of question I will ask to him?
Hmm. Hmm.
Mm, mm, First, I will ask like, mm, what can I ask him? Because whatever I ask him after after asking, I will think again and
Mhm.
again. if he or like if
Okay.
he, because if he will
Mhm.
speak something good or bad, and
Yeah.
after knowing that, I will think the same in my mind,
Mhm.
like it is going to happen in my life
Okay.
in this, yeah, in
Mhm.
this certain of time, it will
Mhm.
happen, it will be happen with me.
Mhm.
So
It will happen with me.
yeah, it will happen with me. So what can I
Mhm.
ask? uh,
Okay, let's
that's it.
imagine
But
that I am the astrologer. Okay, I am the astrologer, and you can be assured that I'll give you only positive answers. Okay, you ask me the question now.
okay, uh, my
Mhm.
first question would be like that. Like I will never ask like how, like when I will, like when I will die. So I will not ask this question. Okay.
Okay,
uh,
done.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. mm,
Mhm.
I think I have no, I don't have question,
You have no question.
I don't have question.
Okay, so you don't want any spoilers about your future, nothing. You just want things to unravel themselves on their own.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Okay, awesome. So your
Yeah.
astrologer will not earn any money that day, Bhuvan. Trust me, because you won't be paying him.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So not a very good business day for me today since I was your astrologer.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Fine.
Mhm.
So yeah, it was great talking to you. Right,
Yeah,
all
same
your
here.
ideas made a lot of sense. It was a lot of
Yeah.
fun, and
Mhm.
just be careful about when to use B and when to not use B. Okay,
Okay.
that's it.
Okay, man.
Okay.
Okay,
So
man.
yeah, fine. Have
Yeah.
a nice day. Bye bye.
Yeah,
Take care.
yeah. Okay, man. Bye bye.